In this video, I'll show you how to pay money requests on Airbnb. So to get started, go ahead and open Airbnb on your device and sign in into your account. So make sure that you have signed in into your account before you proceed with the next steps. So to be able to send money or pay money, the requested money specifically, you'll need to head over into the Resolution Center. To be able to do that, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and click on the help button at the drop down bar at the top right of your screen, or simply enter /resolution after the link to Airbnb, and that will take you into the Resolution Center of Airbnb. So in here, you just need to hit on that send money button to send the requested money by the host from you. Make sure that you hit on that send money button to send them that. You can also request money. If you're a host, you can send requests to that specific client to whom you want to request money from. That is how you can basically pay money requests on Airbnb. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.